Over 7 rolling hills and offering astonishing transcontinental views, Istanbul is a magnificent gateway between Europe and Asia. Claimed over the centuries by the Athenians, Spartans, Byzantines, Romans, Persians, Arabs, Burghers and Ottomans, Istanbul became a part of the Turkish Republic in 1923. Water ferries shuffling across the Bosphorus, a walled historical center revealing ancient mosques, bazaars and Ottoman minarets, this Eurasian city is an exotic visual feast. These days there's also a sophisticated modern side to its personality, with contemporary hotels, restaurants, shopping and nightclubs. Is it the world's oldest shopping center? Certainly it seems. Istanbul's Grand Bazaar is one of the largest. Built in 1469, this bustling covered market is a labyrinth of winding lanes, alleys, and over 4,000 shops, booths, and restaurants. You can find anything here, from food and spices to jewelry, textiles, leather goods, carpets, and antiques, and more. Get lost, just wander, take in the sights and smells. And remember, this is a place where bargaining is a competitive sport. Everything is negotiable. When in Istanbul, do not miss a visit to the historic Turkish bath. Built in 1481 by an Ottoman sultan, the Hari Galatasaray Hamami is one of the city's oldest. Originally a part of daily life here, the baths were used not only for cleansing but also as a social meeting point. Now let's jump into Istanbul's cosmopolitan present. The Sunset Grill and Bar is great anytime, but best visited in warm months when the open-air terrace offers spectacular views out over the Bosphorus towards the Asian part of Istanbul. With that, you get relaxed, elegant surroundings, fine cocktails, and beautiful people galore. There's great food too. The grill offers refined Turkish cuisine with modern international dishes and a popular sushi bar. Inside or outside, restaurant or bar, you simply must come here to dine, wine, or simply soak in the view. And while we're on the subject of spectacular views, let's visit 360 Istanbul. A popular bar, club, and restaurant, 360 is located in an 18th century downtown penthouse. It commands a legendary 360-degree view of the city and surroundings. The decor, brick and glass. Tall windows divide the interior from wraparound terraces. The food, international fusion with an emphasis on Thai and Turkish. The entertainment ranges from DJs to live performances. The people, let's just say there's as much scenery inside as there is out those beautiful windows. Nothing to do between 2 and 5 a.m. The party in Istanbul is not stopping yet. Head to Club Cristal, located close to the shore in Ortaköy. Outside, a terrace lounge offers views of the Bosphorus Bridge connecting Europe to Asia. Inside, well-dressed hipsters dance the morning away to awesome house music, drinking, partying, flirting till dawn. Perfectly located close to Taksim Plaza in the central Beyoğlu district, with plenty of nearby sites, shopping, dining and entertainment options, is the excellent Hotel Lush. This boutique hotel, a 100-year-old townhouse with 22 uniquely decorated rooms, prides itself on its hip atmosphere and courteous hospitality. Enjoy the artful fusion of modern style with traditional Turkish touches. Try the popular cafe restaurant and, why not, the hotel spa. In a great neighborhood where many of the larger hotels are devoid of personal charm, the Lush comes highly recommended. Istanbul straddles not only two continents but two ways of life. Try a final vantage point from a boat trip on the Bosphorus. Dividing Europe and Asia, connecting the Black Sea and the Sea of Marmara, it provides a wonderful perspective on the Istanbul landscape, its palaces, mosques, modernity and life on the water. Hope you enjoy it. I'm Manjeet and this is City by City.